All right, y'all. So we got the Ventus Autoworks diffuser install happening right now. Come along for the ride and let's show you how to put this diffuser on, all right? Pretty simple, not too bad. I've already gotten it kind of mocked up. If you can tell, we're using a jack. Make sure that you have some rags on that. Lift it right up, put it in place, figure out where that's gonna go, and then go from there. We've got the homie Raul.
What's up, Speed fam?
Helping us out with the diffuser. Woo woo! Damn, that shit's gonna look hard as bro. So what I've done so far is I've put a little scratch in it. Right in the center of the screen, you're gonna see that little scratch. Right here, I've already drilled out, all right? So now we're gonna go ahead and drill the diffuser right there. Do you see where the scratches are? Where are the scratches? Oh yeah, right there. All right, y'all, so I've got the holes drilled out here, over there. Now we're making some L brackets, and what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna cut this, see if I've put it in the correct spot. But as you can see, process still coming along pretty good. Raul's still here.
What's up, Speed fam? Hello.
Hi, dogs. So let's go ahead and get this cut up. And all right, y'all, make sure to wear that protective gear. All right, y'all, so we got the L bracket. Bear with me. I mean, I've only got barely any tools here. So, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and make another one of these, and then that's gonna be for the other side. All right, let's get it done. Yo, look at these L brackets. I don't even have a freaking vise, nothing. This is all handy dandy Marcos work, y'all. Kind of messed up right here on this one. Don't worry about that one. This is the hole that we're using. And what's gonna happen is these are gonna go like right here, like that. Let's go ahead and drill out the bumper holes a little bit bigger, drill out these holes a little bit bigger, and then we'll be set to go to mount. And then I'll mark it here as soon as we get it up there, and then I'll go up underneath there once we get it all complete, and I'll finish up the last brackets. Let's go! All right, y'all, so I got one of the L brackets here. Perfect spot for this hole. That hole's already there. And then if you can see over there, same thing. I need to make these holes a little bit bigger, holes on the diffuser a little bit bigger, and then we'll go ahead and get it mounted up, and then I'll work on the last bracket in the back. Everything's looking pretty good though so far.
Fuck are you at? My blind one.
Step aside, kid. We're in a.
There you go.
All right, y'all, check this shit out. This is dope. I already cut one piece of this, and then I got an idea from this dude on YouTube that did it, and he wrapped these. And so I did the same thing, and let's see how it works. Oh, watch out! And there you have it!
And there you have it!
All right, let's shape it up, wrap it up, and then we'll get down to business. All right, y'all, so we got the diffuser on, pretty spot on. So once again, mounting spot right here, L brackets. And then now I'm gonna be working on the back brackets. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this bracket. This is a different piece I got from Home Depot, just because I feel like those original ones, yes, they're good for the L brackets, but I don't feel like they're good enough for the back brackets. So I went ahead and picked this up. It was like 10 bucks. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up, and we'll go ahead and make like a little S turn, and we'll mount it up. All right, y'all, it's about 1:30 in the morning. We got the diffuser on. I'm just making these back brackets. Look at that shit. If that ain't the sauce, I don't know what the hell is, my dog. Just gotta drill some holes in it right here, and then we'll be prepped to go. How sick this thing is. So mount right there, mount right there, mount right there, and then mount right there. And Raul's tired of the motherfucker.
Sounds good.
All right, y'all. Let's go and get this back brackets installed. We got all of the mounting points on the actual splitter set up. Look at this shit. You could literally stand on this. That ain't going nowhere. So once again, let me take it down below. So we have the L brackets. We have the little pieces that I cut right here. Did a little bit of a wrap job around them. And then I have my S curves over here. Look how freaking spot on that looks, brother. That shit's tighter than All right, so I got the middle on. Now he's gonna get the sides on and we'll be all set to go. Once again, shout out to Ventus Autoworks. I spoke to the actual owner of the company and man, that dude is a baller. Never had customer service like that before. So we got the diffuser on. Now we just need to get the side spats on. Won't take too long. Ooh, with the LED reflectors, shit. All right, y'all, we got the sides on. Got the whole diffuser on. And that shit's... Shit ain't going nowhere. Let's go and lower it and see what it looks like. All right, y'all, there you have it. It's dark right now. Tomorrow I'll go pull the car out and I'll get you guys some glimpses of what it's gonna look like. Shout out to Raul for sticking in with me. It is 3:02 right now. I got work in the morning. So I think we're gonna call it for here tonight. We'll do some cinematics in the morning. So let's cut to it, baby. Boom! Alright, y'all, we got the Mazda here. Finished up the diffuser. Finished up the LED tail lights. Everything's looking sauce. Look at that. Look at that thing right there. Baller stat. Alright, I'm gonna go park up real quick and we're gonna get some footage and we'll see how it comes out. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Oh yeah. I like the sound of that, y'all. Yo, what do you think about that diffuser and them damn LED reflectors, y'all? Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be it for the diffuser install. Definitely appreciate all the feedback, appreciate all the love. You know, we're growing every single day, and I know I say it on every single video, but we really are growing. And every video almost gets about 200 views, 300, 400. Climbing my way up. Still trying to recreate that Honda Fit video. 25,000 views, I can't even freaking believe it. But definitely appreciate y'all for tuning in. You guys let me know how you guys really think the diffuser looks. I mean, wheels are looking fresh. The whole car is just looking so clean and so mean, y'all. Catch us on the next banger. We'll see you in the next one. Speed fam, thanks for tuning in. Hit that like, hit that comment, hit that subscribe button. You know what it do. We'll be back at it again with another banger very, very soon. Thanks for all the love and support. We'll see you the next time, Speed fam.